for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music.
Good morning from the Alps. We are currently on the border of Austria and Germany, and we're staying at a wellness hotel, which is so stunning. It's a bit of a gloomy morning, so Cash is working out inside, and I'm gonna sit out here and do some work on my computer. But I had to give a tour of this outside area because it's so stunning. They have some showers out there, a pool, and it's cloudy right now, but here are some Alps. We're nestled right in the mountains, and they have these stunning swing chairs, and I'm so excited to be here. They also, just around the pool, have such a stunning garden with all of these wildflowers, and then there's lavender, which is amazing, and they have rosemary over here, and they actually use all of these herbs in their products at the spa right in the building.
My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake.
Good morning. I'm gonna give a tour of the room that we're staying in. We're at the Reilig Hotel, which is like a wellness hotel in the Alps, and there's a beautiful spa attached, and the rooms are just really incredible. So my favorite part of the room is definitely the fact that it has a private sauna, which is just insane and so beautiful. It smells so good too. It smells like cedar. We'll definitely be using that. We're just bed and a good sized closet. And then maybe the best part is the balcony with this view. Then going back in from the balcony, we have these really cute chairs, and they give like a heating pad and a bunch of really cool, fun little things to use while you stay here. Everything at the hotel is organic, and they make it themselves here with all of the herbs from their garden, which is just so amazing. And they left some fresh tea and little organic snacks. Like those are organic apricots, which is just insane. And then we just have our closet and the entryway. And here's the bathroom, which is perfect for what we need. And I'm so excited. Today I think we're gonna go over to Salzburg and walk around.
My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze.
Okay, we're at Mirabell Palace in Austria. This is where The Sound of Music was filmed. And it's a really beautiful day. Here, I want to do one of those to stand in.
Would love that. Beer sounds great. Where we came from.
Oh yeah.
Laugh like a brook when it
Has like all the
trips
stuff.
and falls over stones on its way.
Do you want to do that after?
To sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills.
Yeah,
Oh my word, oh no!
Over the bag.
My heart will be blessed with the sound
horrendous, dude.
Just like, yeah, like 4 of them is good. Alright, we went into a Swedish candy shop. What do you rate it?
8.
8?
Yeah.
These are definitely my favorite. The pink little octopus. And then the big bubs are good too. Okay, we're on our first hike in the Alps. We lucked out, we have a rainy day, so it's nice and cool and not humid. We only have like a 3-hour hike up, I believe, until we get to this peak. And then we'll see how it goes once we get to the top. But it's so beautiful, and there's all these pretty little chalets. It's really cool to see the Alps in the summer and the winter, because these flowers are so gorgeous. And there's Cash.
I can literally get exactly where we're going.
It's over. I'm gonna say, well, zoom there.
Taking a little pit stop. Stunning, stunning view.
Kann ich das mitnehmen?
Ja, Kind mitnehmen.
Ja, ich habe einen Kollegen, der die sammelt. Muss ich verreisen.
Jimmy, right now, please. Craving this.
You want little cushions?
No, we're okay.
I have to do with your stay.
Do you want to try some of the coffee? Okay.
How's your coffee?
It's amazing.
Hi, beautiful girl. You taking a nap? Baby! Hello, baby! You are so sweet!
I want to get the 4 of you.
Oh my word.
Watch out for
The
the
lick! Oh! You're so curious.
Yeah, you can tell he gets pet all the time. He's chill with humans. He's chill with the human tongue.
Hey. Hey, Mama. Look how relaxed they are.
I'm coming from behind. Cool. Dress up. Come on.
Hills are alive with the sound of music.
It was.
You didn't video it?
Of course I did.
Oh, okay.
Take it to ride. You make a friend?
Just taking him around me.
Yep.
Giving him a tour.
He's your new hiking buddy. I can't take it seriously. So your friend has moved on your face now.
Yeah.
He loves you.
It's tickling me so bad right now.
He's crawling to your eye.
Scratch my head.
Oh my god, there's 2 on your head.
Ay! Ay, tickle! Ay! Oh my.
He's... There's... Okay, after 6 miles uphill, we made it to the restaurant up on top in the Alps. About to go get some drinks. Cheers.
So we're out here with dogs.
Yeah. Okay, we're back for the day after our hike, and we just went to the pool to try to relax our muscles a little bit. We ended up hiking 11 miles, and 6 of those miles were straight uphill. So we've all got some pretty gnarly blisters going on, and we're pretty sore, but it was definitely worth it because it was so stunning and gorgeous at the top. And we went to this restaurant that you can only get to if you hike. So we sat and we ate and we had some drinks and then made our way back down. We're back at the hotel now, and I think I'm actually gonna get in the sauna. I still can't get over that this hotel has saunas built into the rooms. I've literally never seen anything like this, and they're stunning. They're made for 2 people, which is actually perfect. Okay, I just turned on the sauna in here, and it was actually really easy to use. This is the Hydrosoft, which I'm pretty sure you can actually get these put in your garages and your houses. But the really cool thing is that you can change all the lighting. So I have it on the red light therapy, but they have yellow, green, and blue, which is really neat. And I'm gonna let that heat up and then hop on in. Okay, Cash and I are about to get our massages, and it's a perfect day for it. It's nice and cloudy out. And this is just so beautiful. They have different oils and a sauna in this private room. Oh my god, we're so excited. Cash has never had a massage before, so this will be his first time. And they left us orange juice and different little chocolates and fruit. And we literally have been waiting for this for a very long time, so we're extremely excited. Also, they have different oils here, so we get to pick what one we want. They have a calming one, and then they have a tension releasing one. What is this one? Nourishing, and then hydration, which I'm so excited for. Okay, we're back in our room now. It is currently nighttime. We are exhausted and we're very excited to get in bed. They came and switched over all of our bedding to this like very, very nice linen comforter and these pillows. And these pillows are shaped like clouds and they have little lavender pockets in them. And they smell so yummy. And then we're about to start our foot bath actually. So since this is a wellness hotel, they gave us this little bucket with some dried herbs, and we're gonna fill it with hot water. And then we have lavender and a tea kettle, and then they gave us this lavender syrup to put in with our tea. Those are our tea bags, and we're definitely gonna get a really insane sleep tonight, and I'm very excited. We're assembling our foot bath. That sage smells so freaking good. The lavender in here. I feel like we're making a potion right now.
A witch's brew.
So that's for the tea.
Yeah.
Okay. We almost put that into our foot bath.
Yep.
But that goes
Yummy.
in the drinks. I hope we pass out after this. Good morning. It is a beautiful sunny day. This is our first fully sunny day since we've been here. And it's so stunning outside. We're gonna go hike up. I think we're gonna take a gondola halfway actually, and then walk around up there. So that will be very interesting and a cool experience for sure. But it is hot. It's like 85 degrees, and it's going to be a very warm and beautiful day. Okay, we just took the gondola up, and now we're gonna hike to the top of this mountain over here with the cross.
With songs they have sung for 1,000 years, the hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart...
Okay, we made it to the top. The view, it's so insane. Now we're gonna go hike up to the cross on the mountain. But it's such a stunning day, it's so clear, you can see everything.
Sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze, to laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear.
Okay, we're going to hike up to the top of the staircase where the cross is, and the views here are so insane. We're literally in the clouds. They're drifting in up on the peaks of this mountain. It's the craziest thing.
Its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. My heart will be blessed with the song
yours come with a salad?
Our Käsespeckle.
No, I think it's called Kasnaki.
Kasnoki. Give it a try. Yeah, you try the first bite.
You said there's no fork in there?
Right there. Right done.
Whisper